Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to look at the best 5 phone camera lens available on the market. I made this list based on my own opinion, research and customer reviews. So, learn about the different styles of phone camera lens, and find out which is the best for you. If you want more information and updated pricing, be sure to check the links in the description, and don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon for the next updates. Best of 5. Jopri Cell Phone Camera Lens. We use professional multi-layer SLR optics glass in our lenses to give you razor-sharp quality. Multiple lens elements are used to give distortion-free images, make color rendition up to 99%, explore your fascinating world of visual enjoyment now. Capable of 2x the zoom, the telephoto lens delivers superior quality pictures, from a distance without you having to move an inch. Close-up shot not only can shorten the distance effectively, but also blur the background. 2 clips fit for most phones, front and rear compatibility make photograph has never been easier. Best of 4. Zenvo iPhone Camera Lens. Comparing the photos above quickly reveals the difference between Zenvo premium quality lenses and cheap, low-quality alternatives. Cheap wide-angle lenses will distort your photos, giving a warped, fisheye appearance, straight lines appear curved. Poor quality construction and design of cheap wide-angle lenses results in unwanted darkening of corners in photos. Zenvo wide-angle lenses feature additional glass elements that correct unwanted lens distortion, so straight lines appear straight. High-quality, German optical-grade glass provides crystal-clear images, from edge to edge with no dark corners. Best of 3. Camera Lens Kit by ZSO. High-quality plastic clip allows quick and easy connection. New design universal clip can attach any 37mm thread digital SLR Pro lens on your mobile. 0.45x wide-angle lens for a high-definition wide-angle image without distortion. Built-in 15x super macro lens for extreme close-up shots. Premium rimmed lanthanide glass, high-quality rimmed glass, reduces light reflection around lens edge. Professional high-definition, PHD lens reduces glass flare and ghosting caused by reflections. Best of 2. Apexel Phone Photography Kit. This 4-in-1 cell phone camera lens kit is fun, compact and has everything. By using your smartphone, accessories, such as the Bluetooth remote shutter, and tripod for cell phones. Will this work with my Android or iPhone? The smartphone telephoto lens is also a telephoto, monocular lens with eye cup. The wide-angle and macro lenses will arrive screwed together, for easy storage. Best of 1. Camkix 5-in-1 Universal Lens Kit. The Bluetooth camera shutter remote is perfect for taking selfies or group shots. The lenses included in this set can be used with a wide range of cell phones and mobile devices including iPhones. Awesome mobile photography for back or front-facing cameras includes 5 quick connect lenses. These 2 small lenses are screwed together for easy storage. The lenses are made from aluminum to increase the durability of the product. Thank you so much for watching the video. We've considered the quality, features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing, please follow the link in the description below. Stay tuned by subscribing for the next updates, and give me your valuable opinion.